Growing older comes with wisdom, memories, and deep experiences, but it also brings new responsibilities, especially when it comes to health. For many people over the age of 60, daily medicine becomes a constant companion. Tablets for blood pressure, capsules for diabetes, drops for the eyes, supplements for bones, and sometimes pills for the heart. What starts as a few prescriptions often grows into a complicated daily schedule. And while these medicines are life-saving, they also carry silent risks. A single missed pill, or worse, a double dose, can create problems that no family ever wishes to face. It might sound like a small mistake, but in the fragile body of an elderly person, that mistake can be the difference between stability and a medical emergency. That is why preventing medication mistakes at home is not just good practice. It is an act of protection, love, and respect. Imagine this. An elderly father wakes up early, feels tired, and cannot remember whether he already swallowed his morning pill. Out of fear of missing it, he takes another tablet. Within an hour, he begins to feel dizzy, his blood pressure falls, and confusion sets in. The family rushes to the hospital, where doctors immediately discover that he has taken a double dose. Or think of a grandmother who gets busy with household chores and completely forgets her afternoon pill. By evening, her sugar levels rise and she feels weak. These are not rare stories. They happen in countless homes quietly every single day. But with the right system, such mistakes can be avoided almost completely. The journey to medication safety begins with awareness. Seniors and their families need to accept that medicine is not like food, where missing one meal can be easily balanced with the next. Medicine works like a clock ticking inside the body, keeping levels stable and balanced. One missed dose disrupts the clock, and one extra dose throws it into chaos. So the first step is always education. Elders must be reminded gently, not with fear but with clarity, that medicines are powerful tools and deserve respect. Once awareness is built, the environment at home must be designed to support safety. Many seniors keep their medicines scattered across different places: the kitchen shelf, the side table, even inside handbags. This scattered storage creates confusion. To prevent mistakes, medicines should live in one safe place, a specific drawer, a small cabinet, or even a dedicated box. That place should be clean, dry, and easily accessible. No random containers, no loose pills lying around. Order creates clarity, and clarity reduces mistakes. But organizing storage is only the beginning. The true hero of medication safety is the pill organizer. A simple plastic box with compartments marked for days and times can save lives quietly every week. Every Sunday, a family member or caregiver can sit with the senior and carefully fill the organizer for the next 7 days. Now, instead of guessing whether a pill has been taken, the elder only needs to open the organizer and check. If the slot for Monday morning is empty, the pill has been swallowed. If it is still full, it is waiting. This simple act erases the fog of doubt that so often causes mistakes. Of course, even the best organizer fails without routine. Routine is the backbone of senior health. Medicines should always be tied to other daily habits that never change. Morning pills can be taken right after brushing teeth or just before tea. Evening pills can be linked with dinner or night prayer. The idea is to anchor the act of medicine taking to something permanent in the daily rhythm. With time, the brain no longer asks questions. It simply follows the rhythm like breathing. Technology can also be a faithful helper. Alarms on a simple phone can remind seniors when it is time for medicine. For those who use smartphones, special apps exist that send gentle notifications, sometimes even with pictures of the pills. For those who cannot hear well, vibrating reminder watches can silently shake at the wrist, signaling that it is time. These small nudges may seem minor, but in the fragile world of elderly health, they become powerful safety nets. Another common danger is confusion between similar-looking tablets. Many medicines are small, round, and white. Without clear labeling, it becomes easy to mix them up. A blood pressure tablet can be swallowed instead of a vitamin, or an antibiotic may be mistaken for a sleeping pill. Families must never mix different medicines in the same container. Each medicine should stay in its original packaging or in a clearly labeled bottle. Large writing, bold colors, or even pictures of the pills pasted on the containers can make identification easier. For elders with memory difficulties, these visual cues act as strong reminders. Sometimes the risk is not in taking too little, but in taking too much. A senior may forget whether they already swallowed a pill, and